Hello kids and welcome to DTW Tutorials Junior. Welcome. Alright, in today's video we're going to look at fractions, and we're looking at equivalent fractions, and you can see here I said multiply. Okay, so this is equivalent fractions 1. So in solving equivalent fraction is either you are multiplying the top or bottom number, okay, by the same number to obtain its equivalent, or you divide. Okay, so this is part 1 where we're going to use multiplication, and I'm going to be showing you why and how to identify when to use multiplication. Okay, so after this we're also going to do equivalent fractions too, which is divide. All right, and what is meaning of equivalent first? Equivalent means equal. Okay, equal fractions. All right, so a fraction can be equated to another fraction. Right, that is the meaning of equivalent fraction. So you can get a fraction and you can find its equal. Okay, that's it will be equal to something. And when you reduce one part, it gives you the other. When you increase the other part, it gives you the other. All right, now look at it. So now look at question 1. It says here, so you always see find the missing numbers. So you see the box here. All right, so let's find this missing number. Now you have here 1/2. How do you identify that it's multiplication? I'm going to let you know. So when you come here, the numerator, the missing part is the numerator on the other side. Your denominator is 2. This has a value. You can see here 2 has increased to 4. So 4 is an equivalent of 2. So it has increased. And what increases in maths, which operation increases something, is when you multiply. Do you understand? When you multiply, you have one orange. When it increased to 2, you multiply, increase to 3. It's like you you know you it's a multiplication or addition that increases, but here we are using multiplication. Okay, now you must know your times table. It's very critical for fractions. Even in maths, your foundation, you must know your multiplication times table. And I've been saying I'm working on a workbook to help you master how to know your multiplication times table. And when it's done, I'm going to share it, and mommy and daddy can get one for you. Okay, so now, so we know that 2 and this is 4. So for our multiplication table, what times 2 gives you 4? Remember, it is what 2 times 2. So 2 times 2 gives you 4. Are you with me? So whatever you do to your denominator, you must do to your numerator to get the equivalent also of the numerator. So if you do 2 times 2, you also have to do 1 times 2. And what is 1 times 2? That is 2. So our missing number here is 2. Okay, so the equivalent fraction of 1/2 is 2/4. And you see that when we come to do reducing fractions, when we reduce 2/4, we get 1/2. Don't worry, we're coming to that, okay? Now look at number 3, 1/3. This is the missing, okay? Let us go to the denominator, 3 and 12. Do you see that? 3 increased to 12. So you look at your multiplication table. What times 3 gives you 12? Do you remember? It is 3 times 4. 3 times 4 gives you 12. Whatever you do to your denominator, you must also do to your numerator. That's your top number. So you do times 4. So 1 times 4 gives you 4. So we have found the missing number there. Let's go to the next one. The missing is the top one. Let us go to the bottom number. We have 8, we have 24. 8 increased. 24 is bigger than 8. So we need to find in the 8 times table, what times 8 gives you 24? Do you remember? It is 8 times 3. So we do 8 times 3 gives you 24, and whatever you do to your bottom number, you do to your top number. So 3 times 3 gives you what? 9. You see that? We come here. The unknown is still the top number on our right hand side. Now look at this. 6 increased to 12. So it means multiples. All right. So what times 6 gives you 12? Remember, it is 6 times 2. So 6 times 2 gives you 12. Then whatever you do to your bottom number, you also do to your top number. So 5 times 2 gives you 10. Are you with me? Come to number 5. So you can see here, this is 3, this is 9. Our top fraction here on the other side is known. So this increased. So we have to find what times 3 gives us 9. So it is what? 3 times 3. I hope you remember. 3 times 3 gives you 9. So whatever you do to the top number, you must also do to the bottom number. So you times 12. So, sorry. I went too forward. Times 3. Okay. And what is 4 times 3? That gives you 12. You see that? Now look at this. You have 3 here. Our known is the bottom. We know the top number here. 3 increased to 18. So what times 3 gives you 18? Do you remember? 3 times 6 gives you 18. So 3 times 6 gives you 18. So whatever you do to the top, you must do to the bottom. So 4 times 6, what is 4 times 6? That gives you what? 24. Do you see that now? Okay, I know you have gotten it. So I want you to do this as your classwork now. Show mommy and daddy. And if you want more of this, more questions on this, and you want to practice and practice, please do get the DTW. Common entrance app is for primary 4, 5, 6. Tell mommy and daddy to get it for on your tablet for you. Okay, you can download it on the Google Play Store. You can contact me if you want the links on your laptop. Contact me and I'll send you the links. Okay, it doesn't just have only maths, it has English, basic science, quantitative, verbal, vocational, social studies with past questions and their correct solutions. Are you with me? So there's a feature called, when you download the app, question search. All right, so you go there, type equivalent fractions, and it will bring out several questions under equivalent fractions, and you solve them and you see the solutions there, the corrections there, in case you miss anyone. All right. If you want one-on-one online tutoring for your kids, mom and dad, contact us on WhatsApp. And please don't forget to please subscribe to this channel. Share this channel with your friends, all right, your family members who have kids, okay, who need the smarts, all right, please do share. You can also check our website for further resources. All right, thank you, kids. Thank you for staying to the end of this video. Don't forget that Jesus loves you. Please do honor mommy and daddy, obey them, respect them, treat your siblings well. Do not bully anyone. And if anyone is bullying you, tell mommy and daddy they're always around to protect you. Okay? Don't let anyone touch you. All right? Touch you in your sensitive, private areas. Tell mommy and daddy immediately, even if the person threatens you, oh, I will beat you, I won't, tell mommy and daddy would protect you. That's what mommy and daddy do. Okay, does, all right? So tell mommy and daddy and be good, and the Lord will reward and bless you. Don't forget that you're a champion, you are a star, and you are destined to win in life and also in your academics. All right, you are brilliant, you're intelligent, you are smart. Okay, that's what you are. Tell yourself that that's what you are. All right, thank you and see you in our next class. Take care.